Hello everyone. Today I want to add a way to get to level 7. So we're going to put a teleporter at the top of our level 6 and put a win condition in so we can teleport to level 7 as soon as we get to the top. So the first thing I want to do is put the teleporter in. We're going to use the same one I have from level 3 made already right here. As you can see, there's a draw teleport function already, and that helps me animate it. So, but I do not want to call it the same one because it already has predetermined coordinates. So what we can do is create a second class. We're going to call that teleporter 2, and we're going to make it from the teleporter class, and we are going to do the width. Oh, excuse me. We are going to do the width minus, I don't even know what this is going to look like. So 128. Actually, we're going to do minus 100. And then on the Y, we want it just at the top of the screen. So we're going to put 0. And then we have to put the 128 and the 128. That is the size of my picture. We want to start on the first frame, which is 0. And then there's 3 different pictures to loop through. So that is the 3. Now, this is also not going to work because right here I have it as this class being called and animated. So we have to first go add another one. We have to have put a level in here so it knows what level we are wanting to do that on, and we're going to go if self.level, and then that is equal to level. And then down in here we need to add it. So it looks like I already have one there. That is level 3. And this is going to be level 6. So in our draw, we have to specify. So if we go if self.level is equal to 3, we want to animate this teleporter. And, oh, come on. And elif self.level is equal to 6. We want to animate object, but this time I want my player to be teleporter 2, and then we're still going to use the same sheet for pictures. It doesn't matter. And then we're going to put 0 there. And now we have that implemented. We have our class, so we should be able to come over to here to our draw level 6. And now we need to put it there. So we go mc dot Kelly underscore 2 dot draw our function. So screen. Okay, so now this should put it on our level. I have our test open, so we're gonna go ahead and test this. And we forgot, oh right, because we got this error because we also have another function for our cutscene being drawn from here. So to fix that, we're just going to simply put its default value as none. So now we don't have to worry about going in and putting it there unless we need it. So let's try this again. Okay. That is very large. So once again, this is just a test environment. We don't have a game over screen, so that's how our lives are at negative 59. Wonderful. We just owe a few game over screens, that's all. So let's go ahead and test it. We get the key, and then we get back up. and then we would win. So maybe in another time, we'll go back and fix the size and everything of that. So for now, that'll be fine. Not going to necessarily put collision on the outsides of the teleporter anyways. So on our play level, we are going to go on, we're going to make a variable here, and we're going to name it on teleport. So on tele, and that is going to be equal to pygame dot rect dot collide point right here. So that is going to take our rectangle from our player, I do believe, and then the points I wanted to activate at are 1150 and 50. So now we tell it if we're on the teleporter, we want to win the level. So we're going to go if on teleport, we're going to go our turtle. And we're going to make his level go up by 1. And then we want to teleport him somewhere. So we're going to go MC turtle dot rect dot x. His x will be on, just for now, just to see if it is working. We're going to put him in the middle of our screen, and then our mc.turtle.rect.y is going to be the... Okay, so this is telling it that if we're on the teleporter, that it should teleport us in up our level by 1. Let's go ahead and test this. So once again, we need to avoid our boulders on the way up there. Uh-oh. Oh. It is just a very simple bouncing effect. It's not anything crazy. Once again, this is all just a passion fun project. And we're going to make it over here. And as soon as we get to that point, and boom, it teleports us. So that means it is indeed working. So now we go is playing and our MC turtle. This is just also a test, so I hope this is going to work. We're going to just fill the screen blue. Why not? Blue is my favorite color. And this, as soon as we get back up to there, we'll see if this works. Got the key, avoiding our boulders. Wait for the boulders. And that did not work. So we're actually just going to have to play through the whole game. We're going to have to put this here. We do not need to put the function there quite yet. We will, just to make it look nicer and easier for me to load these, but we're going to go if turtle.level is equal to 7. We just want to screen.fill with the blue. Okay, now we can just get to test the whole game from the beginning. Here we go. So this is my little start screen. I'll have to work on it and add some more functions, and instead of just starting, maybe some help. So this is our cutscene. This guy kidnaps our friend. He chases him. And now begins our journey. I'm not going to worry about collecting our 1-ups. We're just going to book it through these levels. And you see him over there running. And yes, those vines will block you if you do not let the crabs cut them. See, that is what I'm hoping to have the same effect for on the last level. So we'll go ahead and collect the flies. Now our other cutscene. Now we got to get through our maze before he gets her. We don't want him to eat her. Make sure we don't overheat. That is the heat bar. We're in a hot part of the desert. We got to make sure to stay cool by getting into our puddles. Now we are finally on our last stage. I'm gonna die. I got squished. This level is... I like that rock effect coming down. Grab our key. And then there it is. Alright, thanks for watching me put that teleporter in today. We will work on level 7 tomorrow and make it his den that we're getting through. Alright, thanks for watching. It would really help if you hit the subscribe and the like button. Thanks. Bye.